Hey guys, today I'm going to make a sausage sandwich in the air fryer oven. My other air fryer oven died. The comfy oven, the one they sent me for free to try out, it died about a month ago. So I bought this one at Walmart. It's another Black & Decker. This is a pretty basic model. It just it has an air fry setting and then broil, toast, bake for the oven. And it's real simple. It's just these knobs. So it's got the settings there. That's a timer for, you know, baking or air frying, and then it just has this timer for toast. So it's real simple and easy to figure out. This one was $60, so it doesn't cook as hot and fast as a comfy oven, but it's not bad for the price. I have a package of mild Italian sausage here that I got at the grocery outlet. This was $3.99 for a pound of it, so not a bad price. This is a New York style sausage company made in California. So I use about, I guess about a third of that, so about a third of a pound of it. And we'll just make a patty out of it here. And I'm going to put this in my 10-inch cast iron skillet that I got at Walmart. This fits perfectly in my oven. Been using this pan for probably about 5 years now, I think. Alright, we'll get that in the oven. This oven is real simple to use. I have the rack on the middle right there. We'll get my sausage in there, and then it's set to air fry, and I'll just turn the timer and I'll set it for like 20 minutes, and I'll keep an eye on it. I may turn it halfway through. It's been about 12 minutes, so I'm going to pull this out and turn it over. It's browning up some on top. Let's see how the bottom looks compared to that. Oh yeah, it's browner on the bottom on the cast iron side. So I'll put it back in there for a couple more minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes on that side. About 20 minutes total this has been in there. That looks good. I'm going to use an English muffin for my bun. So I toasted an English muffin here. You can buy those at 10 packs. In 10 packs at grocery outlet for about $3, I think. So I usually keep some of these, and I usually keep them in the refrigerator because they keep better. So they don't get moldy as fast. They keep quite a while if you do that. So I'm going to use BBQ sauce for this. Just kind of be different. Okay, let's see what the bottom side. Oh, that looks real good there. Got nice and crispy. Or nice and crispy on the outside. Put a little more barbecue sauce on this side. And you know what? I'm thinking maybe some pickles. So I'll just throw a few pickles on that as well. I put some pickles on there. Now let's put the lid on and try it out. Alright, let's try it out. Pretty good with the barbecue sauce on it like that, kind of like a barbecue sausage sandwich. And that probably costs about $2. It's not bad for a meal these days. Want to buy the sausage, Annie? There you go. Try that. I guess you like that. That turned out good. And you can use whatever sauces and condiments you like on yours. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.